Hi everyone, it's Beth Corbo and I want to welcome you to Lecture 3D. And the purpose of this lecture is to describe the requirements of your Comprehension Vocabulary Instruction Planning Project. Let's get started. This project is worth 20 points. While it's due week 5, you will need to upload a portion of it week 4. Your peers will discuss it during the weekly discussion board. There are 2 parts to this project. The creation of a unit focusing on comprehension, along with the creation of 2 individual lesson plans, each focusing on a different aspect of comprehension. Let's talk about the first part, the mini-unit description. Using the strategies described in Bringing Words to Life, the Vocabulary Handbook, the Reading Comprehension Blueprint, and Chapter 16 from Multisensory Teaching of Basic Language Skills, please create a mini-unit plan for a particular grade level using text appropriate for the targeted grade level. This mini-unit plan could be taught over an extended time period, like a week or more, and include both comprehension and vocabulary instruction connected to a particular text. The second part of the project includes the creation of 2 lesson plans. Along with the mini-unit plan, you will create 2 specific lesson plans related to your unit plan. First, a lesson plan related to the first day of instruction, related to vocabulary, and then a lesson plan related to the first day of instruction, related to comprehension. There are templates for you to use that will clearly define what needs to be included in each part of the project. The intent is that your mini-unit will demonstrate your understanding of and ability to communicate the critical aspects of teaching needed to develop comprehension and vocabulary skills. Your individual lesson plans will demonstrate your understanding and ability to communicate the explicit instruction procedures that will support specific objectives within a comprehension and vocabulary lesson. Using the templates provided will guide you in including all necessary components of this project. Your individual lesson plans will demonstrate your understanding and ability to communicate the explicit instructional procedures that will support specific objectives within a comprehension and vocabulary lesson. Again, using the templates provided will guide you in including all necessary components of this project. It is important that everything is included and uploaded with your project. You will need to include the designation of a specific grade level within one of the 3 spans, either pre-K to 3, 4 to 8, or 9 to 12, an outline of a unit using the mini-unit template, comprehension and vocabulary, that describes the essential components of the unit, a single lesson plan that describes your explicit instruction to occur during the first day of instruction related to comprehension. The Comprehension Day 1 template should be utilized to clearly share content of the lesson plan. You will include a single lesson plan that describes your explicit instruction to occur during the first day of instruction related to vocabulary. The Vocabulary Day 1 template should be utilized to clearly share the content of the lesson. Artifacts needed for either lesson should be attached. For the text that will be included, this needs to be either the entire text, a link to the text, or the APA citation if you are using a book for your text. Your paper will be assessed based on the Comprehension Vocabulary Instruction Planning Project rubric. You can see a portion of the rubric here, and you can also download the rubric for this paper under the heading of Rubrics on the navigation bar. Please remember how important it is to begin working on this now. Remember to use APA style throughout, maintaining an academic voice, and cite any outside resources you may use. Please let your instructor know right away if you have any questions or concerns about this project. And best of luck to you. Thank you for listening.